Here we are at 108 Catherine's Hope. Nice gated entrance, concrete driveway. Short bit of dirt road right here, about 75 feet, but then it's paved all the way down to Blue Water Terrace and East End Road. Great location up here. Property line runs, you can actually see a flag back over in here, down pretty much where the cleared area is, and then around and back up to this dirt road above. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, net metering, nice landscaping, lots of parking area here. You could easily do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars if you're having lots of people over. You got the West Indian wooden shutters, hurricane shutters, beautiful retaining wall, and then a shelf wall here, which leaves a great place for gardening or plants. Got a nice royal palm there. 2-car garage down at the end, and then here's your front entrance. House was just painted completely on the outside, and the roof was totally resealed. So let's go in, check it out. All right, as you come in the front door, you've got your kitchen, dining, all in one big open space here. But easily sits 6 comfortably indoors, and then you could have another outdoor dining area if you wanted as well. Fully equipped kitchen, all custom cabinetry, wine cooler, fridge with ice maker, extra ice maker for those party nights, ready to go. Oh yeah. Dishwasher, trash compactor, garbage disposal, built-in micro on the upper level here with your oven below. Thermador glass cooktop. Some people like to cook with gas, and I do like to cook with gas, but there's something about these clean surfaces. When it's time to clean this, it's wipe away, done. You're not pulling off all those little bits and pieces and getting all the granules out that are stuck underneath from 2 weeks ago when you were frying eggs and it spilled out of the pan. But anyway, that's a personal preference. But a nice long island there. If you were doing a buffet or something, you could set that up. Got AC here in the kitchen. Big open space, super comfy. And then off to the west side of the house, you come into the living room. Also nice and big, 16-inch ceramic tiles. Nice little threshold, taking the transfer from one type of tile into another. Another AC unit. Nice, cool, comfortable house. Net metering solar system in place, so you don't have to worry about the WAPA bills killing you if you like to run a lot of air conditioning. Impact doors here off the kitchen and off the living room here, so these are impact glass. The rest of the windows obviously have the West Indian wood shutters, which are simple and easy to use and very functional and effective. And that's sort of the main middle living area of the house. We'll go outside in a minute, check out the pool, but first let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Okay, we just left the living room and we're now into the master wing. Big walk-in closet, cabinet at the end, his and hers. Obviously that's his because it's shorter, there's hers. We know that story. Beautiful built-in cabinetry here for linens or clothes. And then a comfortable bathroom here. Double vanity sink, nice mokojumbi etched mirror, vaulted ceilings with a tongue and groove, and a large shower. Room for 2 in there with a little vent window. And of course the toilet. And then as you come back out to the left, the bedroom itself is here. Double windows looking out at Buck. Easily fits a king-size bed. This house actually comes with this power bed, so if you wanted to get fancy with massage or raising it up. Yes. So you can see that TV in the morning. Nice. Very nice. Now I got to figure out how to turn this off. There we go. So that's included in the sale, obviously. That's not going anywhere. And another AC unit above. Nice view out to the ocean. Teague Bay to the right, Buck Island straight ahead. And then out to the pool on this side. No door on this side, just windows, but if you wanted to convert one of these to a door straight out to the pool, you could do that very easily. And then attached to the master is the garage. Check this out. Huge garage. Perfectly square. Looks to be about 25 by 25. And there's where I came in down the main walkway. And one nice feature here too is that this used to be a workshop. Previous owner used to have a lot of woodworking tools and stuff in here. But with this remote, if you just wanted to use this as sort of a nighttime party space and it's buggy out, you can lower the screen and keep the bugs out and work your night away. Lots of room. Got your extra beer fridge here. And then this walkway out this side leads down to the 4th bedroom, which we'll get to in just a second. But as you can see, great storage, great place to put the cars, nice high ceilings. You'd actually do a loft in here if you wanted additional storage space, but I don't think you really need it. This house has plenty of it. So that's it. Let's head down to the 4th bedroom, then we'll come back to the guest suites. Okay, I just came down these steps from the garage. Generator building over here, we'll see in a second. And then down at the bottom of the stairs here, with an awesome view and its own little private patio, you could set up some lounge furnitures or a table and chairs. You've got your 4th bedroom or office. Now it's kind of used for storage right now, but it's got air conditioning, it's got a full bath. You could totally set this up as a kid's bedroom, mother-in-law's suite, because you do have the full bath, shower, toilet, and sink, and view and patio. So you could even put a little kitchenette since you have your plumbing there in that corner and make this a little guest apartment. But it's nice for overflow guests or if you just want to use it as storage or an office. And a lot of breeze here. There's your Dish Network TV antenna. And then let's take a hike up here and I'll show you the generator room real quick. Again, that's back into the garage. Here's the generator house. Got your Onan Cummins diesel, 30 kW diesel generator, automatic transfer switch. Just a nice solid generator room. And as you can see, it wraps around this side, a little bit of a side yard here. There's your exhaust pipe coming out. Nice setup. All right, I'm gonna head back in. We'll check out the guest bedrooms. There's actually a half bath in the hallway, and then we'll hit the pool patio. Okay, leaving the garage, back into the master wing, heading back to the living room. On the right side, as you come out, opposite this French door to the pool patio, is either a half bath for internal use or a pool bath since it's right off the pool. Got a nice tiled vanity, toilet, little folding table, some built-in cabinets, and then your washer and dryer on either side at the end here. Beautiful layout, well thought out floor plan. And we'll shoot straight across the living room over to the other side of the kitchen. This would be the east side of the house, that being north that way. And to our right is guest bedroom number 1, which they obviously use as a gym and office. And each of these bedrooms are mirror images of each other. It's actually a really cool Browning gun safe here, if anybody, good place to store valuables or weaponry or whatever you got. And then full bath here with your sink, shower, really nice travertine tile, your tongue and groove, vaulted ceiling, real nice kind of West Indian flair to the design of this house. Yeah, it's newer, it's modern in construction. You know, it's not got the old copper piping and stuff. It's all the up-to-date materials. Solid concrete. Built by a builder named Jason Miller, one of the best. You may know him. And again, you've got your view out to the Buck Island and also down to Teague Bay again over by the St. Croix Yacht Club. Now here we are looking back up at the driveway. So this is where you come in as you drive into the property. This guest bedroom wing is the first one you see. Another AC unit, another closet, and another full bath. So again, your 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths total. So that's a lot of house. You know, if you're a big family or you have a lot of guests, or if you're doing a VRBO, This house is phenomenal for that. It's got a perfect layout. Everybody's got their own little suite and meet here in the middle. Great gathering spot. Awesome house. All right, I'm gonna head out to the pool now. All right, so I'm coming out the kitchen double French doors. And here we are with Miss Scheuer. It is lunchtime. Actually, it's a little late for lunch. A little overtime lunch. 3 beautiful arches frame that view. Cistern cover here in the corner. Nice cable and PVC railing. Take a look at that. You get the view that way. Sugar Mill and Teague Bay. Plenty breeze. Watch my hair. Plenty breeze. See that? Lot of wind. But if, like I said, you got that AC pump and you've got the net metering permit to cover your WAPA bill. So if you want to run the AC, run it. If not, go with the breeze. Got a little tile popping here that needs to be repaired. Got some spare tiles here. That's still a project in the works. But otherwise, the pool is crystal clear, ready for a swim. You can see some of the panels up top there. And then again, you've got the 3 hurricane impact glass sets of French doors, one behind Steph there into the kitchen, one directly into the living room, and then that one goes into the bathroom and into the master suite garage area. Another nice feature, each of these doors has these pocket roll-away screens, which are super convenient. If you got them closed and someone walks into them, kicks them, they spring, so you don't damage them, you don't break through them. It's a great concept and a great feature, easily added to any house actually. And then with these doors, to make them hurricane proof, up with the lever, that puts a pin up top, puts a pin in the bottom, lock it here, you're ready for a storm. Can't say enough about this house. It's got everything you need. Great location, awesome views, AC, solar, generator. You're ready to roll here. So if you want to check it out, give us a call. Here up at Catherine's Hope, we'll give you a little tour. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.